Just 1 hour is enough to get rid of ants. This trick will make ants flee, allowing you to eliminate an entire ant colony without using harmful chemicals. Let me show you how it's done. Take a lemon, which is the key ingredient for this trick. Also, gather some matches, which are the second most important component. Remove the matches from the box and stick them into the lemon, wooden side down. You should use quite a few matches. Your lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the ant mound or in a spot where ants frequently appear. You'll start seeing results in just a few minutes and the final effect within an hour. During this time, the matches will absorb the lemon juice, causing the sulfur to dissolve and seep into the lemon. This combination repels ants because the substances in the lemon peel are toxic to them, and the sulfur enhances the effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to reach for chemical insecticides right away. Homemade remedies can be quite effective. This smoking can is great for keeping mosquitoes away. It's a cheap and effective way to deal with these insects. Here's how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive repellents. You can keep them away without spending a single cent. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into smaller pieces. They need to be small enough. It's a clever way to reuse an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut up the whole thing at once. You can always make more pieces later. Next, take an empty drink can. Cut off the bottom like you see in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off bottom, make a few holes with a nail. Just a few are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut a small window. Cut 3 lines at right angles to make the opening. You can easily do this with the knife again. Now, reassemble the can. Place it on a table, put the pieces of egg carton inside, and light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard pieces repels mosquitoes. This little stove is easy to make and works really well. Mosquitoes won't come near. They hate that kind of smoke. It's an effective way to keep them away without spending anything. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in the area. My grandma showed me how to make a simple and effective mosquito trap. Get a bucket, pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and mix thoroughly until the sugar dissolves. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, which will attract mosquitoes. To this mixture, add 1 teaspoon of dish soap and mix well again. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Remember not to close the box completely. Leave it slightly open so mosquitoes can fly inside. The mosquitoes will be attracted by the carbon dioxide released by the fermenting yeast. The dish soap changes the surface tension of the water, causing the mosquitoes to drown. Place the trap outside, for example, in the garden or on the terrace, where mosquitoes are most active. Thanks to this simple solution, I can enjoy peaceful evenings without annoying insects. Try it yourself and see how effective such a homemade mosquito trap can be. Just 1 hour is enough to get rid of ants. This trick will make ants flee, allowing you to eliminate an entire ant colony without using harmful chemicals. Let me show you how it's done. Take a lemon, which is the key ingredient for this trick. Also, gather some matches, which are the second most important component. Remove the matches from the box and stick them into the lemon, wooden side down. You should use quite a few matches. Your lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the ant mound or in a spot where ants frequently appear. You'll start seeing results in just a few minutes and the final effect within an hour. During this time, the matches will absorb the lemon juice, causing the sulfur to dissolve and seep into the lemon. This combination repels ants because the substances in the lemon peel are toxic to them, and the sulfur enhances the effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to reach for chemical insecticides right away. Homemade remedies can be quite effective. Ants are afraid of this, like fire. These natural methods make them avoid my house like the plague. Take a lemon and stick matches into it, wooden side in. Place the lemon on an anthill or anywhere ants often appear. The lemon juice combined with the sulfur from the matches creates a mixture that effectively repels them. It messes with the ants' senses, disrupting their orientation and communication. Within minutes, they'll start disappearing, and after an hour, no trace at all. My grandpa used to tie cloth strips to every tree, so I do the same. Cut a cloth into strips. Prepare a mix of cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and mint. Soak the strips, wring them out, and tie them to the tree. Ants will run away, and your tree will be protected. A green spray will also help get rid of ants fast. Blend a cucumber with a cup of alcohol. Cucumber repels them, while alcohol dissolves their pheromone trails. Strain the liquid, add 4 tablespoons of soap, and mix. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray areas where ants show up. This trick not only drives them off, it keeps them from coming back. Rub soap along your front door. Really work it into the bottom edge, especially near balconies where dust collects. Spread a thin layer along window frames too, especially in the corners. Ants avoid these areas completely. It works fast and leaves no marks. In a bowl of water, add a few teaspoons of cinnamon, lemon juice, and used coffee grounds. Finish with a few drops of soap, stir, and let it sit for a few hours. Strain, pour into a spray bottle, and spray where ants appear, near plants, sandboxes, or patios. Natural and safe. These are the most effective methods. The aphids disappeared after just one use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add half a tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. Ticks will avoid you completely. Pour cloves into a bottle. Prepare a plastic container, preferably with measurements to accurately dose the product. Pour about 200 milliliters of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the alcohol into the plastic bottle. Add 100 grams of cloves. Cloves have a strong scent, which makes them useful in many ways. Seal the bottle tightly. Let the mixture sit for 4 days. Remember to shake the bottle daily so the ingredients mix well. After 4 days, the mixture will change color. Strain the liquid into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix thoroughly. Using the funnel, pour everything into the spray bottle and seal it. This spray is an excellent tick repellent. Spray it on your hands or other areas of the body. Remember to shake the bottle before each use.